Hi, welcome to Miss Amy's Creations. Today I have another recipe for the 420 crowd. I am going to make infused banana bread. Now, you're going to think a couple things are strange here, but I like these silicone bakeware. Now, I make my brownies in this pan. These silicone, once you use infused in them, don't use them for anything else. So right at the moment, I do not have a bread pan that I am willing to sacrifice for nothing but 420. So my banana bread is going to be square. Just so you understand that. And don't, like I said, don't use them for anything else if you've done this. So, if you like what you see today, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and leave me a comment.
And turn on your notifications.
Yes, thank you. Okay, what I did was I'm going to start with, I softened a half a cup of can butter, which I just spilled some. So,
Sinful.
Yeah, I've got that all softened. And we'll put that in there first.
Shame. Shame.
Yeah,
Shame.
actually it's all over me too. I'm going to smell like it forever. And then we are going to add a half cup of white sugar and a half cup of brown sugar. We're going to get that mixed together. To this, we are also going to add, and I've got oil everywhere, I'm also going to add 2 eggs.
Man, you can smell that.
Yeah, that's one thing, you smell this for a long time because this takes a long time to bake.
I was about to say, don't tell me that egg's going to whoop your butt.
No, I just didn't want to break it and smash it everywhere. I do have my oven heating at 445 or 245 degrees. Boy, that'd be a mess up. Okay, now also this takes a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. So I'm going to go ahead and add those. We're also going to add 2 cups of flour. And if he'll show you this right here, in the bottom of the butter, you get the milk separation. Now this also calls for a half a cup of milk. So I am going to add a little extra because I'm going to drain that milk from my can of butter right in there. I'm going to add that in. So this is going to be a really
That was all the fats and stuff.
Yeah, everything that separates when it cools. Now, to this also, we, of course, need a few bananas. So I got 3 bananas mashed. We're going to add in there. And I need 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla.
And this is homemade vanilla.
I'm adding a little extra because I just love vanilla. And, of course, being made with cannabis, a little extra vanilla is always delicious. We're going to whip this up real good.
There's her new shirts, folks. Miss Amy's Creations.
Yes.
Yeah. Be sure to go to her channel, email her, and talk to her about them. All right.
Also, when I hit the 500 subscriber mark, I will be having a giveaway, which will include a shirt. So, that'll be 500 subscribers. So let's go, people. Let's get there. And we're just going to put this down in our pan.
You ain't gonna spray it?
I don't need to spray it because it is a silicone pan. You would want to use flour, grease and flour, a bread pan if you're not using silicone, but I don't need to with this pan. Now this is going to be more like a banana cake.
Sounds
Yeah.
like you need to make some crumble topping and put it on top of that. Oh yeah, some brown sugar and some cannabis butter.
Actually.
Hey.
I actually have. Let me search.
There's the box for making the butter.
Yes, but I have some crumbs in here. But maybe I used them.
You probably used them.
Yes, I had some crumbs that I had made to put on infused blueberry muffins. So, yeah, I put crumbs on top of that. But this is our banana bread. Our oven is hot. Now, this would normally bake 45 minutes. It's going to take at least, I'm going to say, an hour and a half on the low temperature.
Yeah, and why is that you cook it on low? What is this reason for that?
If you cook cannabis on a higher temperature at 450 and above, you lose that, what is it called?
It burns off the THC.
The THC, and you just get CBD out of it. So you don't want to cook it at too high a temperature.
Right, too high of a temperature will turn it into CBD, and at a lower temperature, you just cook it or bake it a little bit longer.
Yep.
That way, you actually activate the THCA into THC,
Yes.
and therefore, you sit there and get the, oh, hell yeah.
Okay, I'm going to pop this in the oven, like I said. The
Let
oven's
me get the door for you
at
later.
245. And I'm going to set my timer for an hour and a half. No guarantees it will be done. Like I said, this is definitely, when you're making infused, you have to watch. When it starts getting close to done, then you really pay attention to it. So, we'll be back when it's all finished. Okay, welcome back to Miss Amy's Creations. We're going to check. This has been an hour and a half.
Oh, man.
That looks... Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's done.
And you can see kind of like the butter bubbling in it. What we're going to do is we're going to let this sit in the pan. Let that sit in the pan for at least 15 minutes. And then I will pop it out on the tray, let it cool the rest of the way, and cut it up. But that is our infused banana bread. So I can't wait. I hope you try making some.
Hey, I got an idea. Cut it open while it's hot. Cut out a chunk.
I can cut it.
Yeah, man, let's do that when it's hot. All right, let's give a view of what it looks like on the inside. Yeah.
Like I said, it's just kind of like a cake right now.
Oh, look at that. Oh man, that is so soft, so moist. Wow. I gotta try it.
Okay.
Man, that's good. It is.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Very good.
Yeah, that is.
I encourage you to try this. Wonderful.
Yeah, folks, so hit that like, hit that subscribe, turn on your notifications, set them to all. This way you get everything that's ready to come up. And if you like what you've seen here with the infused banana bread, then hit that subscribe and leave a comment below. And thank you for joining us where?
Here at Miss Amy's Creations.